Ever thought about changing career but not too sure where to start? I'm here at Careers Wales today to find out how they can help you plan your next steps and move forward. So we're here with Stephen and Catherine, who has an incredible story. Stephen was made redundant after many years, now set up his own business. So how did Careers Wales help you then?
I met with Catherine for the first time. She done a careers review with me, and I wanted to see if I had transferable skills to a new job, because I didn't think there would be something in our industry.
And this is what we came to. So Stephen, you're the only one that does what you do, pretty much. We're laser surveying technician. So when Stephen said that to me, I thought, oh my gosh, I've never heard of this career.
So it's quite unique then, yeah.
And we were thinking, do you need to move away from it? Whilst there might not be an employer out there, why not become your own employer? What would that look like? What steps need to be taken for you to get there? And we managed to access React funding for Stephen so he could upskill his training qualifications.
Big moment in your life, isn't it?
You start to think, I'm never going to get employed, you know, but as soon as I spoke to Careers Wales, everything changed. So I would say to people, don't hesitate.
I rywun sy'n meddwl am newid gyrfa, neu falle maen nhw wedi cael bach o egwyl, ble maen nhw'n dechrau?
Tydi siarad un ar un efo cynghorydd gyrfa, rhywun fatha fi, a na i edrych ar yr holl sgiliau ti wedi datblygu dros y blynyddoedd, a gweld wedyn sut mae hynna allan matcho'r farchnad lafur. Sgwrs ydi o ar ddiwedd dydd i weld be sydd ar gael. A dyna lle dwi'n dod fewn, jyst y cyngor na i gael chdi ar y ffordd a'r trywedd iawn i symud ymlaen.
What specific things can you do to help with barriers, perhaps, if someone is finding it difficult to find employment?
Lots of people go through different changes in their life. Children are coming to their life, a change of circumstances. It could be anything from as simple as looking at pros and cons to looking at new opportunities, on to more kind of practical things then, like CV development, understanding like what is happening in the labour market. But we'll do whatever we can then to kind of assess those barriers and work with them.
Working Wales offers a free career review to help you explore your options and move forward. Trefnwch eich adolygiad gyrfa am ddim heddiw. Chwiliwch am Cymru'n gweithio.